everyone, it's Maria from Jadot Le Papier. Thanks for joining me today for my Ruby and Pearlxo design team project. And it's also part 4 of the DIY advent calendar. I just wanted to show it to you all decorated. Remember, the outside of the box is covered with that 1856 French ledger. And then I did die cuts of windows to pretty much try to match the actual Hotel Athenee in Paris. It's a high-end hotel in the 8th arrondissement, and it's on my bucket list. So most of the gifts have been given to me by Catherine of French Bijoux. They're vintage and or antique French charms, but then I also have a significant number of vintage costume jewelry. My friend's mom and her aunt's personal collection, as well as pieces that I found. A lot of them are either broken or remnants of, so I thought they would be perfect as jewelry for your journals or as a gift for someone who likes to make and or repair jewelry. So many possibilities. The very first gift is actually this book that we made together, the Hollow Spine Origami. It's filled with Arches watercolor paper, which is French. I got this idea from, let's see, Peg and All, that's it. I've purchased art supplies from them before, and I thought instead of a tin can, I would do these Hollow Spine origami book boxes. Anyway, there are 31 pieces for this first gift box so that you can do your December daily. And then I don't have it here in the video clips, but the very first day 0 gift is made up of the sketch pens. I forget the brand. That's what sleep deprivation does to you. But anyway, they're the artist's preferred pens. And I think it would be fun to sketch instead of just journaling. But if you are interested, there is a cute set that Virginia, she's part of the Ruby and Pearl design team. Her last project was the Chateau House journals in a tin can with tea light candles. She is selling them, and I think they would look great with this gift set, especially if you do prefer to have a traditional journal for your December daily. I'm not going to open all of the boxes, but I am going to share just the idea of, even though I had the idea of the hotel, which is red and white, they have the red awnings in a very glamorous part of the city. I didn't go over the top, although you could add string lights that are battery operated. You could add more street scenes and or Christmas trees. You could actually decorate on the box itself before gifting it, or if it's yours. You'll notice some of the watercolors here are actually inspired by the hotel as well. Anyway, if there's anything that you see here that I don't describe, be sure to leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. But again, thanks for joining me and always supporting.